Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Geometry Dash on a calculator using an easy method. It's a fun way to enjoy this popular game on a device you already own. We'll cover everything from preparing your calculator and computer to getting the game up and running. You'll learn which calculator models are best suited for this and how to ensure a smooth setup. Get ready to transform your calculator into a portable gaming device in just a few simple steps. Before we dive into the installation, you'll need a couple of key things. First, download the calculator linking software to your computer. This acts as a bridge between your devices. Second, you'll need the specific Geometry Dash game file designed for calculators. It's crucial to find these files from reputable sources to avoid any potential problems. Having these two components ready will make the next steps much easier and ensure a successful transfer. Now for the exciting part, installing the game. Begin by connecting your calculator to your computer using a standard USB cable. Once connected, use the linking software to transfer the Geometry Dash game file directly to your calculator's memory. The software will guide you through the process, often with clear on-screen prompts. This transfer usually takes only a few moments, and soon your calculator will be ready to host the game. Congratulations, Geometry Dash is now on your calculator. To start playing, simply navigate through your calculator's menu to find the newly installed game. The controls are typically straightforward, often utilizing the directional pad and a few function keys for jumping and interacting. You'll be able to enjoy the familiar rhythm-based platforming action, complete with its challenging levels, all on your calculator screen. Have fun exploring the world of Geometry Dash in a whole new way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.